What's going on, YouTube?
It's your Shea Butter lady here, and that's HelloImDave.
Hey, and I'm Dave. Just coming to you guys real quick. We about to do a nice little bonfire for the night. It's more Labor Day weekend, and Saturday we just about to just invited some folks out for a little bonfire, kick it, music, good vibes, you know. And property ain't really ready yet, so we about to do some tightening up, cutting some lawn and stuff real quick, make sure it's ready for folks to come and enjoy the little area. So
Yeah, stay tuned.
see, with these some good diesel boy jumper cables we use for the dump truck. And you ain't gotta turn the car on. It just like that. It just works like that. I lost the key, so I use my mailbox key. I know it's a little raggedy, but it worked.
I was asking you if it had gas in it.
I thought I put some gas in the last time I was out here, but I guess I didn't. All right, plan B. Push him over.
You got flip-flops on, bro.
Uh-huh.
You gonna use that one in your flip-flops?
I got some boots in. Smart. Alright, so we got the work truck. Yeah, always got some work stuff in every vehicle we riding in. Even the Lincoln. Lincoln got some shoes in there. Lincoln got some stuff in there too. Alright, let's try it one more time. So stage one, prep the area. Stage two, put your fire pit up. Stage two. Be the cameraman. Oh, look at the froggy.
Chilling, bro. This is my destination to the pit. That's my woodworking work.
Oh, you fucking lying.
Yeah, I did that. look, you see this? Look what he did. My little contribution. You see this? He done tossed it to the side. He didn't even put it in the fire. I feel some type of way. He didn't even put it in the fire.
As you can see, welcome to the show, welcome to the channel. We out here, we just getting the fire pit going. It's about 11 o'clock, you know. Got Byrd, of course, on the beat out here. Bianca pulled up from Indiana, drove all the way down here, so shout out to her. And of course, Stacey here, Shea Byrd. So we just catching the vibe. It's still early. Folks talking about they coming to 12 o'clock, so we out here all night. All night. We're doing that chicken like 2 o'clock or something like that. That chicken.
That shit did not even help.
Trying to do the ball toss. Damn, trying to ball way to
We here. It was 2 days after the camping trip. I had paid to get the power turned on, but then of course it said it wasn't gonna turn on until the 30th. So we was out there on some real camping G stuff, you know what I mean? G-funk. But I'm not going here and hit this switch. It says it's gonna be connected on the 30th. Today's the 30th. But it's also a holiday, so I don't know if somebody just hit a button and said they're gonna turn it on for us. Hey, somebody hit a button and said they're gonna turn it on for us. It was a holiday and we got power now, ain't that so? But we got power now. That makes me feel a lot better. So next time we host, do a camping trip or whatever out here, we got power so we can have louder music. That's the only thing we need power for is louder music. What else we need power for?
I don't know.
Nothing really. We don't even need power. Why did I get the power turned on?
I don't know, bro. Cause we got a bigger speaker and we ain't need it.
Yeah. I'm gonna call them back and tell them to turn it off.
You stupid. Oh, bro, I just gotta get my necklace out of there.
That's all you gonna do?
Well, I mean, I'll help. Yeah, I'm gonna get my. I just need to get my. I didn't know what you was about to do.
We about to take all this shit down.
I know, but I'm saying I didn't know what you was about to just. Anyway,
okay.
Let me just get my necklace out of here. That's all I was saying.